Today I'm letting you in on the top 5 secrets to renting the best private homes. Hello, fellow travelers. I've gotten quite a few requests from clients who are interested in getting away but aren't ready for a hotel stay just yet. The first thing that may come to mind is an Airbnb. But did you know there are resorts that offer private home rentals too? I just had a client who stayed at the Four Seasons private residences, and she loved it so much that she wanted me to check out other Four Seasons properties that have private residences. If you want the service and amenities that you're used to getting on a vacation, a private home rental via a resort is going to be a better option for you than a 5-star reviewed property that you find on a home rental site. And here's 5 reasons why. One, you have access to all of the amenities. You can still use the beach club, the concierge, and the spa. The amenities are especially important now since so many hotel properties are limiting these perks to hotel guests only. Number 2, if something goes wrong, there is an on-site team who can help. The resort maintenance team is on call to help with private home rentals, residences, and can cut down on the time and the hassle that goes with getting something corrected. Number 3, you won't get bumped for a longer rental if you are renting through a traditional home sharing site and the owner gets an inquiry for a 2-week rental versus your 3-day rental. There is a chance you'll get that dreaded cancellation call. The good news is that I have the contacts on site to make sure that this doesn't happen to my clients. And if there is ever any issues, I'm there to advocate for you. You have no idea. Number 4, you have no idea when those pictures were taken. With the uptick in home rentals, those stunning pictures could have been from 50 or 60 rentals ago. When I rent private homes and villas for my clients, I have that personal contact who can tell me which cottage has those best sunset views or the fanciest coffee maker. And number 5 is perks. If you thought my VIP amenities stopped at hotels, you're mistaken. I'm able to offer you resort credits, pre-stock refrigerators, private transportation, and even a chef-arranged private dinner. Private home rentals are a great option if you want more space to stretch out on your next vacation and spend time with your own bubble of family and friends. I'm here to help you find one that meets your requirements along with the COVID safety protocols. Until then, stay healthy and stay safe.